I'm sure you've heard about the FDA's decision to move forward on removing the black box warning labels from hormone replacement therapies for menopause. For a lot of people, this is really good news, and some people are skeptical. Well, I'm still researching, so I can form a very informed opinion about this, and that's just what this is, an opinion. So far, here's where I'm at. Nothing has actually changed in the research. They're just looking at it in a new way. I say proceed with caution. And you can take this with a grain of salt if you want, because personally, I am the kind of person who does not seek medical intervention of any kind unless I'm literally dying. And like I said, it's just an opinion. It's based on what I'm seeing, and I will be sharing more about that. I would say proceed with caution. Don't take this as a blatant statement that, hey, these are all safe for every woman, because there are still going to be some instances where it may not be safe, and that's something for each woman to discuss with her own doctor. And if I were going to seek out hormone therapy, I would definitely make sure that I found a doctor that wasn't extreme on either side, that wasn't like dig your heels in, don't do it, and that wasn't dig your heels in, it's great for everybody, it's life-saving, it's going to be, perfect for everyone. I would find a doctor that knows about it, that's educated himself or herself about it, and who is balanced, who is willing to look at the risks for each individual woman, and who is willing to really be honest about it and doesn't have, a stake one way or another. And that might be really, really hard to find, because this seems like a really divisive issue. So personally for me, I found other ways to deal with this, so I don't need it. I know that some women are really suffering, and I know some women are actually taking the meds, and they're still suffering too from some of the emotional aspects. So, if you fall into the box of, I don't want to take any medical intervention no matter what, or if you fall into the box of, I'm already taking it, but I still have, feeling jittery and irritable and mood swings, and I have that sense of dread. So if you're in either one of those categories and you're still having those feelings, reach out, because I can help you.